Are you wanting to know how Instagram polls work? Maybe you want to survey your audience and your followers, but you don't know exactly how it works or how to check the responses. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a full walkthrough of exactly how to set up an Instagram poll, as well as how to use that feedback to improve your Instagram account. So keep watching. Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here, and on this channel I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to go down below, smash that subscribe button, and then click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. Now what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna hop on my smartphone and walk you through over the shoulder, step by simple step. So follow me. Okay, so the very first thing you wanna do is go into your Instagram. Now to create a poll on Instagram, you need to create a story post. So to do that, you just want to click the top part right there and open this up. Okay, now you can see me. Now what I recommend you do is you need to upload a image or take a picture. Now the picture you want to do is going to be the background of the question that you're going to ask in the poll. So I recommend taking a picture or uploading a picture that's relevant to the question you're gonna ask. So I'm actually gonna ask my followers if they use Instagram stories, because I wanna know for that information for my business. That's gonna help me provide value and things like that. So I actually am gonna upload this Instagram wallpaper that I downloaded. Now the next step you wanna do is you want to add a poll to your story post. So to do that, you just wanna click this sticker icon at the top, and that's going to open up all these different stickers. Now the one for a poll is simply the sticker that says poll. So if I click there, now it's prompting me to ask a question. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You want to ask a question. Now it's a yes or no question. So, currently you can't ask multiple choice, but you can ask them, if they're interested in something, or do they like this, or do they want more content? Now, like I said, I'm actually going to ask, do you create Instagram stories? Okay, now that's the question. Now I can add other things like images or different graphics, but I like how that looks. And you can move around the yes or no. Okay, you can really make it really customizable. Then once I'm happy with that, add this to your story. So to do that, you're just going to click the plus button at the bottom that adds it to your story. And when I do that, it's actually adding to my story. There we go. This is going to be a story post. So every time someone goes to my story, they will see that for 24 hours today. Okay. And they can actually click. I can actually click as well. So I can hit yes. And now I voted it. And you can see it's 100%. Now the last thing you may be wondering is how exactly do you view the results of your story post? How do you see what people have answered? Well, you just go back to the story post. And I just did this a few seconds ago, but if I scroll up, it's gonna actually share the insights of this story. And if I click on that eye right there, I'm gonna see what people voted. Now, I can also see the voters, their username, and I can see who viewed the story. And it's gonna share, okay? So far I have 2 votes for yes and 0 votes for no. What you want to really do with Instagram polls is think about the type of information that you want to discover from your followers. So if you're producing content, for example, you may want to ask them, are they interested in a certain thing? If most people say no, then you can avoid doing content and Instagram posts around that topic. This is a great way to gather some crucial information from your followers. So now you know exactly how Instagram polls work, but it works best when you're getting consistent leads on Instagram. Be sure to grab my free training video series down below revealing exactly how you can start generating over 50 leads a day on Instagram in about 30 minutes or less. Well, thanks so much for watching, my friend. If you liked it, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, comment below, how are you gonna actually use these Instagram polls? Okay, I'd love to hear that in the comments below. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.